if you want to change your text color, or you want to just highlight your content, or you just want to clear all the formattings, all the cosmetic changes, designings you have done in your content, well, all these things I'm gonna cover in this particular video. I'm gonna teach you how to highlight text, how to change the color of your font which you have added or written in your MS Word, or if you just want to remove all the designings, all the cosmetic changes you have done in that text, you can remove it in one go. So let's get into the video and learn about these things. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word software, and this is the dummy content I have added here. Now I'm gonna apply one by one all the things, right, that you can understand practically that how thing works and how you can also apply these things, right? So first, let's just highlight the content. Let's say I want to highlight this particular line. So for that, I have to select the line, and now I can do one thing. I can either choose, basically go with the mini toolbar option, which comes whenever you select any content. So you can just click directly into this option, which is this. Right now it is set on white color, so you will be not able to see any uh, highlighted color, right, because it is already in white color. So for that, you have to change the color. Either you can go with mini toolbar, otherwise you can go here in the home tab, right? In home tab you will be able to see this font option, and in font option, this option you have to use, which is text highlight color. Now if you click on drop down menu, you will be able to see the colors, different colors. Let's say I'm selecting yellow. Now my default color is yellow, right? Basically tool has picked up the yellow color. Now whenever I select the content and click here, it will highlight with the yellow color, right? Now there's one more way to highlight your text. Let's say if you want to highlight your content on the go, for that you have to select the text, basically turn on the text. Now you can just select any content and it will get automatically highlighted like this, right? I'm just selecting the content and it is already automatically getting highlighted. Even I can select only one character as well. Now we do have the second option, which is how to change the color of font. This is the background color basically, right? The highlighted color is the background color. Now if I want to change the color of font, so how I can do that? For that I have to use this option, font color. Let's say I'm selecting any content. Let me turn off this option. Now I'm going with this option. Now let's say I'm selecting this content, right? I've selected this. Now if I click on this, it will change the color like this, right? Now let's say I'm selecting this. Now if I click on drop down menu, I do get tons of different color options, some standard colors, then more color option is basically for advanced uh, color choosing options, right? If you have color code, you can add that color code here as well. Now let me choose the green color from here, and as you can see, the green color has been applied in the text, right? Now we do have one more option in this text, which is gradient effect. For that I have to increase the size of text so that you can see it properly. Right now let me just increase the size. This is too much. This much would be fine. Right now if I go to this text font option, then if I choose some gradient option, and if I open this, you don't have some extra options over there, but you can go with the advanced settings as well, right? In gradient you get advanced settings here, which you can use in order to do all the things manually. Right now if I change the color, let's say I'm choosing the green color, right? It is in the green, or let me just choose any dark color. Let's go with this blue one. Right now if I select the content and if I go to gradient option, I do get two options. The first one is light version and the second one is dark version. So let me choose any one. I'm choosing with the first one, which is simple linear diagonal. Now as you can see, the upper portion of my text is darker and the lower portion of my text is a bit lighter. So this is the gradient effect you can apply into your text. Right now, if I want to remove, basically if I want to clear all the formatting, this option would be handy for me. Basically this is to clear all the formatting. But note one thing, that it's this will not change, basically this will not delete the color of your background. This will be working only on the text, not on background colors or anything else. Right now, let's say if I am selecting all these text, right, and if I apply this clear all formatting button, now as you can see, all the formatting has been cleared, but the background color, which is the highlighted color, is not gone yet, right? Because this is not situated with the text, and format, basically clear all formatting option works only with text, right? So whenever you are using this clear all formatting option, it will transform your text into the previous version, basically the default version which MS Word has, right? So I hope you understood the video. I hope you learned from this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this course playlist with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word more effectively and efficiently. And with that said, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.